Right, so this video is about Addgene, which is a website or company that collects plasmids and all sorts of other vectors, recombinant antibodies to share with different scientists. So it's been around for quite a long time, but what you can do, you can order different plasmids and all sorts of other reagents. So the other day I was looking for a plasmid for my exam, and I wanted to find an organism. I wanted to find a Listeria plasmid that has a red fluorescent protein. Okay, let's see if we have something. And it did find one plasmid, and you can see that you can find the plasmid vector, so you know exactly what the restriction sites are, what the different proteins are. So it's ampicillin resistance as well, and it's got the M-cherry, a red gene in there so that it can fluoresce red. And you can also get the sequence, and that's what I did for the exam. So again, if you're looking for a vector sequence, you can just copy the whole thing and then continue into your OR-Finder experiment to analyze the sequence. Right, just a very quick video on how to find a plasmid at Addgene. Again, Addgene has a lot of other functions and other resources as well. So it's got a lot of really cool educational tools with science guides, videos, molecular biology, all sorts of protocols. So again, click around in many of these websites. There's lots of great resources that can help you to be successful as a scientist and as a microbiologist. All right, this is Addgene for you.